So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to solve this amazing question, right? 3 raised to under root x plus 6 raised to under root x equal to 12 raised to under root x. This is one of the very conceptual and very amazing questions. So pay attention throughout the video, right? And this kind of question I have solved very less. That's why I thought I should pick one of those kind of question, right? So as I said, pay attention throughout the video. You will learn a lot from this video, right? So first of all, if I look at the question, 3 raised to under root x plus 6 raised to under root x equal to 12 raised to under root x. So normally we have power here x, 2x or 3x, but here I have under root power, right? Under root. That's why this become very difficult and slightly conceptual question to solve. So let's proceed. So how do we solve this kind of question? So first of all, if you pay attention here on left hand side, that 3 raised to under root x plus 6 raised to under root x, right? 3 and 6 both are positive. This also positive sign. And whenever any number is under root, it has to be positive, right? For real solution. So I can say one thing, that these are increasing number, right? If I increase the value of x, which will be positive, then this total number will be also increases, right? And I can say one more thing, the value of x has to be greater than or equal to 0, obviously, right? This is very simple. Same way I can tell about 12 raised to under root x. It is also increasing, right? And obviously x always greater than 0 for under root x, right? So now how do we find out the solution for this question? There is a very simple method, right? First of all, if I divide both the side by 12 raised to under root x, right? So 3 raised to under root x plus 6 raised to under root x equal to 12 raised to under root x. Both the side if I divide by 12 raised to under root x, then let's see what happened, right? 3 raised to under root x divided by 12 raised to under root x plus 6 raised to under root x divided by 12 raised to under root x, and here equal to 1, right? Now I am sure all of you are aware of this property, that if I a by b raised to m, then I can give this power m to both a and b. So I can write am divided by bm. If this is true, then its reverse is also true, right? This is a reversible property. Both the side I can write. So if I have a raised to m divided by b raised to m, then I can write this as a by b raised to m. So same property I will apply here, right? So I can write this as 3 by 12 raised to under root x. Same way here, 6 by 12 raised to under root x, which is equal to 1, right? So now I can also reduce this both the number, right? 3 by 12, which means I can add 1 by 4 raised to under root x. Same way here I can add 1 by 2 under root x equal to 1. Now if you pay attention here I have 1 by 2 and here I have 1 by 4, which means 1 by 4 raised to under root x. Now I can write 1 by 2 as 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 square raised to under root x, right? I can write 1 by 4 as 1 by 2 whole square. So I can also write this as 1 by 2 raised to 2 root x, right? Power and power get multiplied. And I can also write this as 1 by 2 raised to under root x raised to 2, right? I can interchange both the power because at the end both of it get multiplied, right? So it doesn't matter if I write 1 by 2 raised to 2 raised to minus root x or 1 by 2 raised to root x raised to 2, both are same, right? So I will write 1 by, instead of 1 by 4 raised to root x, I will write this. So 1 by 2 root x whole square plus 1 by 2 root x equal to 1, right? Now why I have written like this? Because there is a very simple way by which we can solve this question, which if I let 1 by 2 raised to root x equal to u, right? If I assume that 1 by 2 raised to root x equal to u, then this question will become very easy. So I will put u, which means u square, here u, and if I bring 1 left hand side, then u square plus u minus 1 equal to 0, which is very simple method, right? I hope you got it what I have done here, right? First of all I have written 1 by 4, then I have written 1 by 2 raised to root x raised to 2 instead of 1 by 4 raised to root x. Then I have assumed that 1 by 2 raised to root x equal to u, so I have put simply u instead of 1 by 2 raised to root x, right? So now what we will do, I will solve this equation, and solution of this equation I am sure all of you know, minus 1 plus or minus root 5 divided by 2, right? So obviously I will take 1 by 1 solution, right? Because I want to find out the value of x, not u, right? So first of all, if I will take u equal to minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. which is instead of u I can write 1 by 2 raised to root x, right? Now very one simple very method to solve this kind of question is I will take logarithm both the side. If I take logarithm both the side, then root x will come here. So I can write ln 1 by 2, right? Same way here I can write ln. I can also write minus 1 plus root 5 and also write root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Obviously, and both are same. So I hope you got it what I have done here. I will take both the side. If I write here logarithm, right? Both the side logarithm. So by taking logarithm, root x will come here instead of 1 and into ln 1 by 2. Same way equal to ln root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So now what will I do? I will bring this ln 1 by 2 to the denominator of this equation, right? So ln root 5 minus 1 divided by 2 divided by ln 1 by 2, right? Now one thing, make sure that I have written here the value of x is greater than 0, right? So how will I get here value greater than 0? Because ln 1 by 2 is negative. Why? Because 1 by 2 is less than 1, and any value which is less than 1 and it is in the logarithm, then answer will be negative. But same way here, if you pay attention root 5, right, this is also I will get negative value. So both of will we get negative will get positive, right? So I hope you got it. Negative because this is also less than 1 and this is also less than 1. So negative will get cancelled out. I will get positive value. But this is the value of root x. I want to find out the value of x. So for that I will have to take square both the side, right? So x equal to ln root 5 minus 1 divided by 2 divided by ln 1 by 2 and whole square. This is the value of x. We can't solve this equation further, right? Because it will be very lengthy. So you can say this is our final answer for x. And whenever I take the solution, root 5 u equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2, right? Now if I take u equal to minus 1 minus root 5 divided by 2, which will be value less than 0, right? And if this is value less than 0, then in logarithm it cannot exist, right? Because negative value inside logarithm cannot define. So it will be undefined. We will get the answer, but answer will not be real. We will get imaginary answer, right? But we only want real answer in this kind of question, right? So this is your homework. You have to solve this by this method, by this solution, and you have to find the imaginary answer. You can send me your answer in the comment box, right? This is your homework. So I hope you got it. This is kind of very conceptual and very difficult question. So if you have any query, any doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box, right? And thank you so much for watching this video.